Hello, Champion George Dewar here from the George's Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to make an awesome beet smoothie. Let's get right to it. Before we do, though, I want you to hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, let the world know about our amazing recipes, and most importantly, as we're doing this series in how to boost our immune system and bulletproofing ourselves against all kinds of viruses and all kinds of things that can disrupt our body. This is going to be awesome. So here we go. A few ingredients here. So what I did was I took what we had on stock in hand. I took a can of the beets. I took about half the beets, the canned beets. I took all, so I'm using all the juice, which is water and salt, and from the juice of the beets, and we're going to put that in there. We have a cup of, and the beets are manganese, excuse me. What else we say?
Iron
and manganese. This is good for blood. Also, we have vitamin C, a cup of vitamin C, orange juice. We also have some carrots, vitamin A, vitamin K. We're going to use a nice little chunk of fresh ginger, which is vitamin B3, vitamin B6, and also vitamin C. Also great for the inflammation. So let's just get right to it. We're also using our NutriBullet. So we're going to go ahead and use the, as we call the funnel fun. We're going to pour that in there. So we're using all the juice that was in the can of the beets. Okay, boop, boop, boop. That's done. Now we're going to go ahead and add the cup of orange juice. Also, we're going to add the beets, about half the beets. I should have probably put the beets in first, y'all, to keep from the splashy splash. Just keep that in mind for when you're doing this. Put that in first so you don't have a hot, stinky, funky mess. So about half the beets are going in. Okay, we're gonna put about 6 or 7 baby carrots. That's 2. 6 baby carrots, and we're gonna put a hunk of this ginger in here. So depending on how spicy or how strong you want your drink to be, your smoothie to be, go ahead and put this is a nice size piece of fresh ginger. We're gonna go ahead and put this on like so. Make sure that's on tight. We're gonna turn this bad boy over. And we're gonna let it do what it do. I'll be right back. Let's check it out. It should be nice. Now you could also add ice to it if you want to make it a little colder. But we're gonna go ahead and check that out. It looks like it's pretty well blended. Go ahead and pour some of this in here. It smells delicious. It smells delicious, y'all. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna taste it. Salute. So here we go with the beet smoothie. Here we go. It's good. It's got a nice little tang to it. It's got a nice That you can taste the ginger in there. You can taste it's good. Yeah. Now, if you don't want it like almost room temperature, you can add a little bit of ice to it. You can also add maybe a little bit of some date sugar to give it a little bit more sweetness, or even add some dates to it to make it a little sweeter. But it's good and sweet. So guys, there you have it. An amazing deliciousness, which is a beet smoothie. Great for the immune system, great for inflammation. A lot of awesome vitamins and minerals in here. This is a go-to. All right, guys. I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. Make sure you subscribe below, share this video, like this video, let the world know about our amazing recipes. You guys are awesome. Until next time, God bless. Keep praying for our country. Keep praying for our world. Keep praying for our leadership, our people behind the scenes, our people on the front lines. God bless. Fire it up.